Really, really cool. It looks great. That's a good start here. Hi, I'm Pokephil, and this is Evolving Skies Display. So 36 boosters in there, and I really hope we can pull something great. So let's open it up, and I guess I have to wish myself the best of luck. We'll see. I forgot my knife, as always. Sometimes I think, if I would not open this, maybe in a few years the Evolving Skies display will be worth so much more. But for now, for starting my collection, I just have to open it. But it did cost me about 150 euro. That's a lot. I know 1/3 of you is American or American viewing, so I guess 150 euro is about 130 American dollar. Just for you to know. Want to be more international. So can I open it, or am I too stupid? I'm just not opening up displays on a daily basis. But here, I got it. It looks so great. So, let's do this. And let's hope for us that we can pull something great. Really, it would be awesome. I mean, come on, we have the Radiant Eevee mattress. Probably the wrong English word. And by the way, you can always correct me. Not only grammatically, but also verbally. Just help me improve my English, and we will both have a great time here. All right. Let's go for the first booster of this display opening. Psychic Energy, Boost Shake, Shelgon, Lombre, Lillipup, Nickit, Bergmite, the Pikachu, Flabébé, Boost Shaker, Reverse Holo, and for the first card, Seismitoad. Non-holo. We're starting slow, but that's okay. We can still have some great hits here. I mean, it was a first booster pack. As always, I will put up a little value counter, and then you can see what that display is really worth. Alright. Second pack. Steel Energy, Spirit Mask, Gordy, Braviary, Dweeble, Lillipup, Rock'n'Roller, Wobbuffet, Hoppip, Aroma Lady Reverse Holo, and for the last card we got the Dracozolt V. Yeah, full art. That's pretty nice. A great first hit here. Really, really cool. It looks great. That's a good start here. Dracozolt V. Let me get the focus better for you. Awesome. Looks really good. Nice first hit here. So, Dracozolt V. Bring us luck with the Radiant Eevee. And then we can open next pack. Okay. Water Energy, Tentacruel, Rabbit Loaves, Flutter, Lotad, Woobat, Gossifleur, Phoebus, Hippopotamus, Switching Cups Reverse Holo, and for the last card, Milotic. We got nice Energy, Hypno, Fletchender, Lantern, Petilil, Dino, Teddiursa, Phoebus, Nickit, Tentacool Reverse Holo, and for the last card, Medicham V. Not full art, but still a V card. That's nice. We're just getting warmed up here. Or some nice other picks. Looks cool. Medicham V. Alright, and the Tentacool, you're also going into a sleeve. I have to admit, I really like the Nickit Pokemon. That's a cool Pokemon. In my early days, I probably would have catched one of those and tried to beat the top tier, the Elite Four, with that. Let's see. Green Energy, or Leaf Energy, Dream Ball, Zinnia's Resolve, Hippowdon, Emolga, Hoppip, Pikachu, Pumpkaboo, Rufflet, Golduck Reverse Holo, and for the last card, Mareshadow Holo. Psyduck Reverse Holo looks also cool. Wouldn't it be crazy if we get a God Pack? Alright, Energy, Shelgon, Lombre, Full Face Guard, Slack Off, Gossifleur, Lufdisk, Fletchling, Chinchou, Galaria's Zapdos Reverse Holo. That's cool. That's not something that I have. And a Smeargle. But the Galarian Zapdos looks pretty nice. Energy, Raihan, Avalok, Vigoroth, Litleo, Drowsy, Scraggy, Phoebus, Hitmonchan, Swablu Reverse Holo, and the last card, Gurgeist. Alright. Gurgeist. Fire Energy, Rabbit Loaves, Flutte, Boost Shake, Applin, what? Sableye? Maybe? Nickit? Bergmite, Emolga, Ursaring Reverse Holo, and for the last card, Gigalith. That's also pretty nice. We had a fighting deck that my sons play with, and he likes the Pokemon because that card was in a official Pokemon magazine where... How's the name of the other protagonist? Not Ash, but Gon? Wait. Gon is from Hunter x Hunter. You know who I mean. He catched the phase 1 of that Pokemon. Okay. Psychic Energy, Ursaring, Crystal Cave, Toy Catcher, Lufdisk, Seedot, Slackoff, Flabébé, Carvanha, Reverse Holo Raihan, and for the last card, Salamence, but also Holo. I don't have enough sleeves for all the cards. That's not good, by the way. Alright. Steel Energy, Zinnia's Resolve, Hippowdon, Tentacruel, Seedot, Woobat, Eevee. It's a nice artwork of Eevee, by the way, with a Rayquaza in the background. Timpole, Cutiefly, Galarian Moltres. Oh, Galarian Moltres looks so awesome. And the Reverse Holo 2. And for the last card, Tropius. Tropius also a Pokemon that I really like. The Galarian Moltres. That looks cool. So dark. So mysterious. Can we get, please, one card for this sleeve? We got a lot of packs without a V card. Maybe in the next? Let's see. Water Energy. Aroma Lady. Rescue Carrier. Scrafty. Applin. Emolga. Tentacool. Pumpkaboo. Began. C-Dot Reverse Holo. And for the last card, Appleton. This dragon Pokemon. Let's Charizard looks like a disgrace because he's a dragon and Charizard is not. Energy. Have a look. Vigoroth. Dream Ball. Rufflet. Drowsy. Flabébé. Rock'n'Roller. Swablu. Shopping Center Reverse Holo. And for the last card, Altaria. You know, some other people have maybe more luck than me. But I still have fun opening this. And that's everything that matters. Let's see. Energy. Switching Cups. Tentacruel. Boldor. That's the Pokemon I meant. The gone or... yeah. Whatever he is called. Catched. Timepole. Psyduck. Eevee. Cutiefly. Pikachu. Rock'n'Roller Reverse Holo. And for the last card, we got Eldegoss. It is Holo. I have to switch now to those. And I hope they will be enough. I really don't know. Alright. Energy. Crystal Cave. Toy Catcher. Raihan. Litleo. Dwebble. Hippopotamus. Zorua. Psyduck. Reverse Holo. And for the last card, we got a V. Suicune V. Not full art, but that's really cool. Finally a V card again. And with a nice artwork. Even though it's not full art. But at least a V card. Energy. Ribbon Badge. Fluffy. Braviary. Petalil. Drowsy. Scraggy. Bagan. Woobat. Carvanha Reverse Holo. And Wishiwashi again. I said again because the last time we opened Evolving Skies, I think I got 2 or 3 Wishiwashis. 1 even Reverse Holo. But that's okay. Fire. Rescue Carrier. Scrafty. Ursaring. Zorua. Tentacool. Hoppip. Bagan. Wobbuffet. Wishiwashi Reverse Holo, as I just told you. And for the last card, Shrifty. Let's get swifty with Shrifty. Energy. Pyro. Vigoroth. Treasure Energy. Wobbuffet. Hoppet. Swablu. Zorua. Cryogonal. Scroll of a Fanged Dragon. And Stoutland. Alright. Steel Energy. Tentacruel. Boldor. Aroma Lady. Hitmonchan. Lotad. Sableye. Teddiursa. Marip. Flabébé Reverse Holo. And for the last card, Regidrago. Yes. So 2 holos for that pack. So that was the first half. And I'm sorry I'm not rich. You have to wait a little bit for the second part, and then we're going to open the other 18 boosters. I'm sorry, but I have to split those display into 2 videos. And maybe we see each other then. I really hope so. And then we see if those 18 boosters can be worth more than what we've already got. I really hope so, that this will be better. Until then, I wish you a very nice day, and I hope we see each other again. Bye.